One thing you should bear in mind is growth takes time. Why should I even post? Meanwhile, nobody is watching. I'm just making this video, to tell you that keep posting. Why I even post when nobody is watching? Because I don't care. I don't care. Whether somebody is watching or nobody is watching, I don't care. I just post. I post because I have to post. It is what it is. If the person sees your post and the person wants to watch, the person will watch. If the person doesn't watch, it shouldn't be your headache. This is social media. Just give it up. Give your try. Like, just post and leave the rest. What can you do? You can't do anything. You can't do anything. One will be getting views but not monetized yet. You are monetized, you are not getting views. Like, social media is something. Somebody wants the views, somebody wants to be monetized because people are just watching his or her video, somebody, a whole lot. So be your comfort zone. Do what, if it's even one person watching, bear in mind somebody is watching. Somebody is watching. Just keep posting whilst no one is watching can literally let you feel discouraged, but there are several valuable reasons to keep going. Build momentum even without immediate engagement. Consistency can lead to better visibility over time. Truth is, the more you post, the more you refine in your audience. People may not engage in your early post, but that doesn't mean they are not seeing it. They've been seeing it, okay? That's why I keep posting. At least some time will come, it will catch their eye for them to watch it, okay? It will take time for your work to get traction and resonate with the right people as time goes on. So just relax. Keep posting. If you stop posting because no one is watching, you will miss out of building a consistent presence. Sometimes the process itself, like editing, getting in the ideas, even being on YouTube is the reward. Yes, even if you've not been monetized, being on YouTube is a whole reward on its own. So don't be intimidated. Just be yourself. Don't care, as I don't care. I just post. Those that want to watch definitely will come under your post to watch. Miss out, because you never know when your post will go viral or catch somebody important, or some great person. You might not know. Keep posting. That's why I said I don't care. I just post. I do the necessary. I do the important part. Then I post. You don't know when your video will go viral. So I'm encouraging you to keep posting. Don't care. By consistently posting, you increases the chances of something taking, regardless of the immediate feedback. Guys, creating for the sake of creating can be incredibly satisfying, even if you don't see immediate results. In short, while your audience might not be there today, your future audience might be waiting then. And the process of consistently sharing and creating is definitely what is going to take you there. So please don't stop posting. Don't stop posting. Do what you can and cannot. If you are not getting, so you want to tell me you were doing nothing before you came on YouTube. You were doing your own thing. You were having your own business, something. Fine, you've added YouTube. Fine, YouTube is a source of money as well. But guys, you cannot let this kill you. Just be who you are. My advice is just keep posting. Just keep posting. That post you think is not the best, just keep posting. So this is why I always post, even if I'm not getting the views, okay? That is how it is. Those big YouTubers didn't get it in one day. It took them some time. So it could be unsatisfying when you see your videos are not getting the enough view. But I am telling you today, don't care. Tomorrow, most of them will be like, I started this YouTube about 5 years ago, and now they are taking the cash. You started today. Oh my God, stop. You started today. You started yesterday. You started about a week ago, or even though let's say you were there in 5 years time, but the consistency wasn't there. It's just now you are just improving on what you are doing. Guys, keep posting before you get depression on YouTube. This is what it takes for somebody to say, I'm depressed. Yes, if you don't take care, you will be depressed. For me, I just post. I come back to take care of kids, take care of family, and that's it. I sleep, I go to work. Yes, if it goes fine, if it doesn't go, I do the necessary, changing the thumbnails or doing what it entails for me to do. The rest, I believe, if it's not for now, the future will hold it. So let's keep posting, guys. Don't be intimidated. Keep posting. The Lord is your strength. Don't forget. Don't delete your videos because you think it's... Sometimes I feel like I don't even have a niche because I do everything. Because when I go to a supermarket and I see that those items there are catchy to my eye, I'm going to record it and bring it on board because I don't know what will go on viral. Yes. So please don't delete that your video you think it will not. Just post it. Just post it. If you delete it, it looks like you deleting your own self because you don't trust your own self. I think you should literally care and makes that thing ring in your ears that people are not watching your videos. You are watching and you are you that is watching now, you are special to me because you are watching and making me feel proud. So if it takes one person to watch this video, I'm so proud because I'm not living by now. I believe in what the future holds. That is why I am saying keep posting. So you are so special to me. Seeing you under my comment section is so special to me. So I don't joke about these people when I see you under my comment section. Yes, you mean a lot to me. You should create content because you want to create content, okay? You know, when your YouTube becomes like you want money, that's where you begin to, just don't feel yourself. Okay, create because you want to create, and when it comes, it is what it is. The money will come. Okay, the money will come, but it doesn't take today. So just keep posting. If you don't post, how are you going to get the money? You are even disappointed by your own self and you are unable to create videos. So meanwhile you want YouTube to pay you. Then what are they going to use to pay you? Is this posting? And you feel intimidated, you feel so bad posting. No, don't quit. Let me tell you something. If you have a channel and your face is seen on this channel and it's reaching people and you are seeing yourself, let me tell you, you are 1 million in your own self watching it. 1 in a million. Yes, you are 1 in a million because you've gotten the opportunity to create, to get the account and to post. Gone were the days it was big people that have this YouTube account you are having. Not everybody can do this. Not everybody can stand in front of a camera to talk to people about what they've learned. So if you are able to stand on a camera and talk, express yourself, make people come to the comment section to write something, you are 1 in a million. So enjoy yourself, keep posting, love yourself, love what you do, and that's all. 90% is here because of money, but for me, fine, in as much as the views contains money, watching your ads contains money. Oh my god, you watching my videos is much more important to me than even the money that I will gain from YouTube. You writing under the comment section, if I see your comment, it makes me feel like, oh my god, this person is with me. That is what I feel. Yes, because our videos are, go and check how many people your videos are reaching and how many people are clicking on it. You could see it on the YouTube studio. The video is reaching a lot of people, but you decided to click and watch. Why wouldn't you be more important to me than what I'm gaining from YouTube? Everybody has their own way of coming to YouTube, okay? You means a lot to me for clicking this video to watch and for seeing you under my comment section, and nevertheless for clicking and subscribing to my YouTube channel. You means a lot to me. So this is me. This is MK's Arena. If I see you under my comment section, oh my God, you are the most blessed person ever God gave you to me. That is me. So you are special. You that will click on this video is so special to me. I don't take you for granted. I don't take you for granted. Yes. So if you see it, don't forget to click on it and watch, because you matters to me. You comes first before YouTube money and other stuff. Because when YouTube was not YouTube, when I was not on YouTube, I was doing my own thing before coming on YouTube. Yes, it pays. I'm not really saying it doesn't pay, but to me, you means a lot to me than any other thing. Yeah. So you see my videos and clicking to watch. Oh my God, we are like 6 and 9. We are like 6 and 9. I don't take you for granted. We are together. The bond between you and me is so great, because the video is reaching a lot of people, but you decided to click and watch what I want to tell you. We are like this. We are like 5 and 6. I love you so much because you've clicked on this video to watch, and you've also commented down there. That is a great achievement, because I don't expect you to click, because most are not clicking, but you decided to click. And oh my goodness, you mean a lot to me. So you are more important to me than anything else. So beloved, keep posting that your video. Post it and leave the rest to God, and leave the rest to YouTube, and leave the rest. Go and eat your food, sleep, keep posting. That's why I love people doing this vlogmas. You don't know which video that will go viral. So I love you all. This is the little advice. Guys, when you come, don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Like, share and comment. If you see this post, try to watch, because I need you. You need me. Thank everybody who is supporting MK's Arena. I love you all. And until we meet again, I will say bye for now.